Ah, sige. Pwede naman eh. Pwede naman.
Tanong ano no?
Good evening.
What is the reason for you to serve the church?
Sa lang, get me done. Sa
What are the changes in your life when you started serving the church?
Mga pagbabago.
relationship sa God. Stop.
What are your contributions in the church?
Serving the Lord.
Does your family support you in your service for the church?
Yes.
Yes, how?
They join the varsity church organization.
Are there any troubles that happened while you were serving the church? Have you thought of stopping serving the church?
Pardon?
Have you thought of stopping serving the church?
No.
Why?
Sa ano?
Who are your inspirations to make you serve the church and don't stop?
Inspiration. Church leader. Please. Layman. Members of organization.
If someone asked you, what reward will you wish for because of your service of the church, what will you wish?
Give penance. Receive penance to God.
What is the hardest problem you had? How did you conquer it?
With yung time. Sometimes we're busy and because of the attention to our family.
Did you commit to excellence in everything you do?
Yes. Kasi for me, serving God is a great graces. It's a great graces to God.
That's all. Thank you so much.
Ano? Pangalan niya?
Po?
Natanong mo pangalan niya?
Brother Willie.
Brother Willie. Ako po si John Tisbe, father po ni Sailin.
Ayun. Wala ako sa question mo.
Sa school po.
Sana pinagtanong muna.
Nag-rehearse.
Natin. Kaya tinanong, sagot ko dyan, wala.
Hindi, okay lang ha. Salamat!
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Okay lang. Pag-huwi na lang.